Hello, everyone. Today we are stepping into a home that has reached an unbelievable state of disarray. It's filthy, it's chaotic, and it's challenging, but that's why we're here. We are the Cleaning Hero Squad, and we don't back down from a mess like this. In just a few hours, we're going to take this disaster and turn it into a fresh, livable space again. But let's be real. When I walked in here, I thought, how could anyone live like this? The clutter, the grime, the overwhelming stench, it's all beyond words. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a roller coaster from the messiest situation ever to a sparkling, tidy home. Are you ready to dive into the dirt with us? Let's get started. The tiled walls in this kitchen are completely covered in a thick layer of grime and grease. Instead of the glossy white tiles, what stands out is the pitch black, sticky residue of long-standing oil buildup. The dirt isn't just on the surface, it's deeply embedded in the tiles. The mattress is in a dreadful state, emitting a foul odor that fills the entire room. Stains of unknown origin mar its surface, and the once soft fabric is now rough and grimy. Underneath the bed, an alarming sight awaits, a horrifying nest of rats. Scraps of fabric and debris surround it, and the sight of the rodents scurrying about is enough to send chills down your spine. The combination of the stench from the mattress and the unsettling presence of the rat nest creates an atmosphere that is both disturbing and deeply uninviting. kitchen is a nightmare, a chaotic realm where filth reigns supreme. The air is thick with the overpowering stench of rotting food and rancid grease, clinging to every surface like an unwelcome guest. As you step further inside, the situation only gets worse, and lurking in the shadows are the rats, too many to count. They dart around, only add to the horror of this kitchen disaster. This is not just a space that needs cleaning, it's a haunting reminder of neglect, where health and safety seem to have been abandoned long ago. Now you might be wondering, how does it get this bad? Well, life happens. Maybe the homeowner was overwhelmed or struggling with mental health. It's not our job to judge, but it is our mission to help, and help we will. But this isn't just about cleaning a house. It's about making a difference in someone's life. And that's what we're all about. We're not just cleaning spaces. We're creating hope and healing, one house at a time. So if you found this transformation inspiring, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next cleanup adventure.